Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. I have one very nice easy little motif for you again today. If you want to go to production, we start by making a magic ring like this. Filling our finger. I use one crochet of 3 millimeters. And we draw 1 to 3 for 5 chains. I'm making a double trump sand by sinking into this ring. I'm pulling 2 chains. I can take my finger out of the ring. Back into the ring. 1 more than trump 1 to 3 became 2 chains. For 2 chain. 2 chains. 6 to chain. 2 chains. We make it 8 trabzan. We are pulling this increasing rope completely and squeezing it in the middle. We draw 2 chains and press 1 to 3 3 chain. We combine. Now I switch to one different color. Look like this. I have one color, I switch to one different color and I'm going into the next void. I'm taking this rope from here. This way I combine. We pull 1 chain by sinking into the same slot again. We do 1 frequent needle. By the way, our white rope will stay here, we're not running it. Now we fill our knot. When we move to the next space. And we make a triple handrail here. We will make 7 triple handrails. We made the first. When we go to the next gap, 1 frequent needle. We fill up again when we move to the next gap 1. We made 7 handrails over 7. 1 needle to the next space 1 time. And we fill our truck again. We go to the next space again. We make 7 handrails 1. I'm coming back to the next space 1. Frequent needle. Now we have come to the last void here in the same way. We complete 7 trumps. Yes, now on that tight needle over there. I pass the knot and here. I take the white color on the back. I pass through the black loop. And I'm back in the same spot 1. Sorry, let's pull 1 chain first. I pull 1 chain, I sink back to the same point. I give 1 frequent injection. Now our other color is here. We can stay or cut. Now 1 to 3 for 5 chain. We enter the same point. 1 triple handrail. 2 chains, enter the same point again. 1 double handrail. 5 chains. I'm coming right here on the frequent needle. 1 handrail, 2 chains. We always press the same point again, and we make 4 handrails. 2 chains and again 4. Now 5 chains, 1. I filled once. I go over the frequent needle here, 1. I draw 2 chains. I press the same point again. 1 more handrail, we will make 4 handrails again, like we do here. We draw 2 chains. Yes, we have completed this corner, 1. 5 chains, I filled 1 time. We are coming to this point. 1 to chain. 2 chains and 3. 2 chains and 4. For now we draw 5 chains. We complete here to 4. 5 chain. I fill up once, look at the same point, I'm entering here. I'm doing 1 trump right. 2 chains, 1. 3, we combine by sinking into the chain. 1 chain and we cut our rope. Now let's cut our back rope. I'm throwing 1 knot. Then these ropes. Passing our truck like this. I'm trying to hide. I can cut it all later. Let's hide it with its own color. Yes, that rope is definitely. We need to hide from here. That would be enough. Yes, we have so many motifs now. I will show you how to combine by making 1 more motif. Looks so nice. Blankets, cardigans, sweaters. So you can do this, guys. Now I'm making 1 more motif. And we combine together. Yes, I prepared 1 more motif. Now look, I switched to white. I'm doing the 2nd place, 3rd place, sorry, 1. I'm pulling 5 chains, now we will combine them together. We are coming to this point. We are making 1 handrail. 2 chains again, 1 handrail. Now we draw 1 chain. And in the middle of any one corner in that corner. home. Reverse motifs. We bring them to look at each other, and we make one frequent needle by entering the middle space. We draw one chain, returning to the motif we knitted here again. One chain from one trump. One we move to the other space in the next motif. One frequent needle, one chain. Back here again. We are making one handrail, see? We have combined two spaces. Now I'm pulling two chains. 1 to 3 for I'm sinking into the fourth slot. For and I'm sinking. And in the back motif I spent it moving again. 1 to 3 for I'm entering from here, we get it this way. We get out of here, we give one frequent injection. We draw two chains again. This is how we united this place. Now we will complete the other corner. I'm coming over the frequent needle here. I draw one chain if one trump. This is where I will reunite. We enter the first void. One frequent needle, one chain, I turn again. Often sinking on the needle. One handrail, one chain, now to the corner gap. Look, this is the middle of the corner. We enter here, one frequent needle, one chain, we return again. We make one handrail for the motif we knit. Now we have finished the merge. I pull two chains by sinking in the same place again. I am making the number of handrail again, 1 to 3 4. Again 1 to 3 for 5, chain 1. We get to the point here. One handrail to chains again, one handrail again, 4. I'm making a handrail, pulling two chains in between. And we make 4 handrails by pressing the same point. We are creating the corner 1 to 3 for 5. We came to the starting point. We press the same point again here. We make one handrail, we draw two chains. 1 to 3 3, sinking in chain. We combine one chain and again. Cutting my rope. Yes, we knit every one motif like this and combine it. Now think there are 4 motifs, here by itself. We will have small square motifs. It looks very nice. I like it very much, I hope you like it too. Look, now I combined 2 motifs. Of course too, when we make one more. Imagine the image here, guys. Because we do the same things. While combining the third, we combine it here. Here while combining the fourth. We get one small square. With one different color. Yes, I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to like my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you turn on the yields, it's instant from every model I make. You will be informed. When you iron it with some steam, it will look much better. Of course, very easy, very simple one model. Goodbye for now, see you soon.